अच्छा जी, सबसे पहले वी नीड टू क्रिएट दिस फोल्डर नेम्ड एग्जामिनेशन। यू आर नॉट रिक्वेस्टेड टू डिलीट द फाइल्स। मतलब फाइल्स के साथ आपको कुछ भी नहीं करना। यहाँ पे आपने एक फोल्डर बनाना है। यू हैव टू नेम इट एज एन एग्जामिनेशन। आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू कॉपी ऑल दीज फाइल्स right here. Okay, then task one is that you need to open marketing plan to inspect the model. Marketing plan is right here. So first of all, you need to inspect this model. It says the model contains a hidden formula for the number of projected sales. Okay, hidden formula for the number of projected sales. Administrative development is expected to cost 150. Enter this value into appropriate cell. Okay. Enter 15,000 as an advertising cost. Okay. So administrative development cost is going to be the one from the question, which is 15,000. And advertising is also going to be 15,000. The manufacturing cost per monitor is expected to be euro 13. Enter the value in the appropriate cell and enter as per the monitoring selling price. So manufacturing cost is 13, selling price is 14. So cost per monitor is 13, but selling price is 14. All of the values are in euros that we are going to change later. Number of projected cells, you can see that it is automatically there, as they said that the value is automatically there. Display all cost and monitor selling price in currency in euro GBP to two decimal places. So you need to right click and uh, we need to change the currency. So we will select these boxes, format cell, a number of projects. We will not change the currency because it is the number of projects. We are going to set it as the euro. Enter a formula in the appropriate cell to calculate the income by multiplying the number of projected sales by the monitor selling price. Okay, so I need to enter the formula. So monitor selling price multiplied by number of projected sales will give you the income. And now the profit is calculated by subtracting the total. Okay, okay, wait. By subtracting the total project cost and the total manufacturing cost from the income. This is the formula. Profit is going to be calculated income minus total project cost plus manufacturing cost into number of project sales. So we need to enter the same formula in the profit part. So profit is equals to income and these both of them are going to be administrative development cost plus advertising cost. Okay. Okay. Now, manuf total project cost is going to be calculated by adding all of them. And now plus the manufacturing cost per unit being multiplied by number of projected sales and okay, 1 minute. Mm, hmm. Okay, this is the formula. I need to enter the correct brackets. Enter a formula in the appropriate cell to calculate profit and set the currency format to match the cost. Use the model to determine the monitor selling price so that the project break even. This is when the profit is zero. Do not use trial and error methods. Okay. So set cell, this cell to value 0 by changing the cell of monitor selling price. O- Okay, so you can actually see the profit and the monitor selling price. Now save your spreadsheet with the name break even by your candidate number. Okay, this is saved here. Now for this part, the question says that the model needs to explore the sales, income, and profit for different values. Unprotect the model. The password is CIE. Limit the advertising cost 15,000, 25,000. Enter 16 as the monitoring price. The projection table needs to be extended. Amend the formulas in the table as shown. Okay. Then I need to create the separate chart. Then I also need to add a table into a record for each part and then save it. This is for the next part, so let's do it. The password is CIE. Okay, unprotect sheet. The password you're going to enter the password, which is CIE. So now limit the advertising cost to between 15,000 and 25,000 euros. Insert suitable options and error alert messages. Okay. Data validation of whole number only. And oh, I think decimal, and the value is going to be between 15,000 till 25,000. Data validation. Input message is going to be enter a value between 25,000, sorry, 15,000 and 25,000. This is going to give you the alert message if the value exceeds. Wait. Then, okay, here's the error message. Advertising must be between this specific values. Now here's the value. Okay, this is giving you the error as well. All right, now enter 16 as the monetary selling price. 16. The projection table needs to be extended. Amend the formulas. The projection table has shown. Okay. Now you have the selling price and the number of projected sales, income and profit. So format cell number. Okay. Now we are going to extend that. Make sure you have correct borders. Format. You can either do it by formatting or with the border option. Now for need to extend this part. Now you can see that the monitor price is also increasing. So as the uh, profit income will says, amend the formula D14, D14, F14 to extend the sales. So this is going to be amended. Now there are some values that will not be changed. So to stop the values from being changed, we either put a dollar sign or see, this is the dollar sign. This will remain same. The value for D7, we are also going to put the dollar sign because they are going to remain the same and the other values are going to be calculated from it. Now you have to extend it. This will be extended as well. So as this one as well. Just need to add the dollar sign, amend the values. Use the data to create this chart in a separate chart sheet. Now we need to create this data to create the chart in a separate chart sheet. Okay, so this is how. Need to add the currency right here. Select the data, edit, enter these values. So this is a chart against number of projects against your sales. Then we can change it to the currency. Decimal places should be 0. Wait, okay, after this, now here is the chart. Format data secondary. You can see the values. Okay, this is how it's done. Profit monitoring, selling price, and sales. The access needs to be changed. So format access and maximum value is going to be 230. Pollution monitor sales projection. And this access. Okay. Uh, just enter the names. Also need to change the color to orange. I think now it's fine. This part is done. Now we need to work with the next part. This part says that, okay. In your sales model, record the value as advertising costs are changed. So add the data, okay. Mm, Monitoring selling price. So now we need to create this table for the monitoring selling price of the price changes. So I'm going to draw a similar table right here. Like this. I have advertising, maximum profit, monitoring selling price. Need to draw the table like this. Okay, 15,000, 16. The maximum profit is going to be this, is equals to, we can calculate the maximum value by using this function. We can give the maximum value right here. The monitor selling price. Okay, now you can see that if I change the value, it is also changing. And the highest value is being right here, which is of 31, 49, 31. I put the advertising value as 70,000, all the values changed. The highest value is 5203. The value on 5203 is again 31. So I'm going to have the same values again. I mean, copying the values from right here to here. And then this is also going to remain same. And for the last part, now I'm going to enter the value of 18,000. Okay, all values are right here. Now determine the highest profit and the associate monitoring price. So the uh, in last, what you are just going to do is that you are just going to highlight this part, which is basically your highest selling price, and then in the end it says that you need to now save the same file as this uh, with this name, which is marketing scenario, and that's it.